Okay, family, let's go to checkout. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. Where I am at, okay, it's a little misty, okay, but honey, it's still overall a beautiful, wonderful, phenomenal day. Okay, so today, all right, wait, hold on, okay, because I know you guys, you excited. Okay, I'm excited too to do this haul. All right, from the parking lot, honey, it's empty. It's like 3 cars here. Where's the people? Okay, where's the people? Are they scared a little bit of slushy? Okay, that's really what it looks like on the ground. Okay, it snowed a little bit. Okay, now from the background, you guys know I'm at Dollar Tree and a place to be. I was here last night. You know, rocking on the MC because you know I'm an MC. Okay, all right. Now, we gonna get into this whole, honey, excuse my face, okay? I know I got some stuff on it, some water. You can't be afraid of a little water, honey. Now, I'm gonna get some frozen stuff here. That's about it. And we gonna take a look and see if Dollar Tree rocking with us, okay? If Dollar Tree is delivering, okay? Or are they breaking it down like Homie the Clown? You remember Homie the Clown? Okay, do you remember in Living Color, Homie the Clown? You remember that? Okay, Homie don't play that. Chill, you better get into it. Let's go. All right, family, listen, Dollar Tree is doing it for you and me. Look at the solar stake lights, okay? These are $1.25. Look at these. Aren't these cute? They come in purple, yellow. They have the pink and the red. Absolutely fancy, pantsy, mancy. Love this, okay? Honey, this is the first time I'm seeing these, okay? Well, this type, the solar stakes, okay? Honey, let's move and groove our feet to the beat because I got to get ready, get my children ready because they had a delayed school opening today because of the little bit of snow and stuff. So, honey, let's move our feet to the beat. Let's go. Okay, so Dollar Tree is really doing it for you and me. Look at this. Happy Spring. They have the microfiber kitchen towels. They also have the 2 pot holders. All right, these are $1.25. They also have these plates here that says live life in full bloom. You know, that is the thing, okay? All right, honey, you want to be excited about your life. Know that you can change it at any given time, no matter what's showing up, all right? They also have these bowls over here that are $1.25. These are cute. And I thought, you know, at first I said, but look at these plates, okay? You're not going to think that you paid $1.25 for these plates. And then they also have these placemats, okay? These are really, really cool. It goes right with the oven mitts, okay? Get into it. Get into it, okay? Honey, tell me Dollar Tree ain't doing it, okay? You're going to be styling and profiling on a budget, okay? Really, really cool. They also have these placemats right here as well, and these cups over here. It kind of put me in a mind of Pottery Barn. If you guys know Pottery Barn, okay, this giving me Pottery Barn vibes. They also have these gold plates down here for $1.25. Styling and profiling, you know I'm a gold girl. Let's check them out. And if you are a person that's looking for some sleek, really styling hair accessories, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have these jelly spirals right here. You get 3 for $1.25. They also have another color up here. These claw clips, they really do it for me. These are $1.25. They are styling and profiling. Honey, moving their feet to the beat. Now, these elastics, you know, I was a little confused. I thought this was like a weave piece or something, okay? But these are $1.25 nonetheless. So just in case if you missed my video from last night, how you doing? Okay, my name is Dina. I do these fabulous, okay, shopping hauls, all right? So Dollar Tree also have these BioPure urinary tract infection test strips, all right? You get 3 for $1.25, and honey, they have a few of these, okay, up here. They're in a place to be, all right? And then it says results within 1 minute, and this is pretty much letting you know what it is, okay? So Dollar Tree also had these Fro-Yo lips. Fro, your lips. Okay, so they come in different flavors. Okay, so they have the mint, they have the vanilla, the strawberry, the creamsicle. Ooh, creamsicle ice cream. Oh my goodness. The cotton candy. Okay, really, really good in the neighborhood. The coconut, they had, these are $1.25. Honey, Dollar Tree has so many new items like this. The sweet lips, these were, oh my goodness, so cute. Styling and profiling, $1.25. And look at the little teddy bear. All right, $1.25. Mixed berry, it says. Really, really cool. And then they also have the pink pineapple. And then they also have another teddy bear in the back. This one is strawberry scented. Really, really cool. Absolutely love this. Nice. Okay, so if you was late in the place, okay, never mind. All right, honey, I'm gonna show you now. Now, Dollar Tree has the Hydrate and Lip Gloss, Love Your Lips, all right, from Beauty. Is this Beauty Intuition? Yes, and that pink is pinking. All right, you guys know I'm a red girl when it comes to the lips, but that pink is pinking, okay? Then they also have some more Beauty Intuition, Hydrate, and Nourishing Lip Gloss, honey, for $1.25. Where are you gonna find that at? That is a steal deal. You know, like who? Like Holyfield, okay? Really, really cool. Okay, so I missed this last night. Hey, let me tell you something, Dollface. You listening, pay attention, because I need you to pay attention quick. Okay, all right, listen. I was in Dollar Tree last night, completely missed this. Have you seen this? Okay, so this is the Beauty Intuition Nail Polish High Shine Glossy Finish, Water-Based, Long-Lasting, Medium Beige. And honey, look at the packaging. When I tell you the packaging is fierce, okay, you want to get into it and do it. Check this out. All right, so when it comes to the Beauty Intuition, really, really cute. So this is the beige. They also have the baby pink. Look at this packaging for $1.25. This is so cute. They also have the medium brown for $1.25 as well. They also have this nail polish right here, Beauty Intuition. Cute. I seen this before, but honey, I am really, really impressed with this. Now, Dollar Tree also have these new fashion nail files with case. Okay, 4 pieces. So I guess you get, let me see, 2 nail files in each case, I believe, or maybe 1 nail file and then a case. Okay, but honey, nonetheless, for $1.25, that's not bad at all. And they have the strawberry on here. This is really, really cute. Now, just in case if you didn't see the Sassy and Chic, the mini powder puffs, you get 4 for $1.25. Really, really good. They also have the Makeup Blender Duo, okay, Alice in Wonderland. This is so cute. If you're a huge fan of Alice in Wonderland, honey, you could come here to Dollar Tree, get the Effortlessly Blends Face Makeup Blender, okay, and then they have the little heart that goes with it. They also have the mushroom over here, okay, and a blender for $1.25 as well. And honey, get into it. The color toenail clipper, honey, they definitely doing it. I be saying, you know, Dollar Tree coming, but who are they coming for? They also have these makeup sponges over here for $1.25. The finger makeup sponge for $1.25. You get 2 latex free. Really, really good. And just in case if you had missed this, Dollar Tree now has the Moana Princess Lip for now moisturizing lip gloss, high shine and ultra hydrating, okay, and then they also have the shimmer lip gloss. What color is it? It doesn't really say. I guess they say, you know what, the color is pretty much on here, so you see exactly what it is. And this is the only 2 colors that they have in this for this collection. All right, family, let me move my feet to the beat, okay, because I got to get a few items from here. This is the frozen section, honey. If you have not seen that Dollar Tree has a new frozen section, okay, I don't know where you've been, but honey, you definitely have not been moving your feet to the beat. Now I'm gonna get a few things, okay, let's check this out. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. This is the A fillets, okay, made with well core pollock. Okay, so these are, I believe, these are $5, okay, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. And these steamed dumplings, they are really, really good. Normally I get the chicken ones. I don't, I stay away from pork. That's just my opinion, honey, okay? And then I'm gonna also get one of these. I never tried the Edwards real cream cheese with fresh baked cookie crust. Okay, I'm gonna get about 2 of these. And these are $3. Okay, so when I tell you, listen, this cookie in the bag, the cookie ice cream, really good. Only thing, I really don't care for the cookies, but without the cookies, it's really good. That's just my preference. But when I tell you these crab ragoons are good, okay? So I'm gonna get about, let me see, I'm gonna get about 4 boxes of these. These are really good. And then I'm also going to go in with the rainbow sherbet cups, raspberry orange lime. You get 12 cups, and these are $4. All right, family. So this is our stuff. So this is so cute, okay? So Dollar Tree has these novelty bubble wands. Look at these. These are really cute, styling and profiling. Honey, get into this. All right, look at this. And they also have the thing over here. Now, I don't know really what that do, but this is outdoor fun. These are $1.25. Absolutely love this. Really cute. All right, family, we heading out. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you showing up, believing in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Till next time.